Hi, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a YouTube playlist. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device or visit the YouTube website on your computer. Sign in to your YouTube account using your Google credentials. Search for a video you want to add to your playlist. Once you find a video you like, click on it to open the videos page. Below the video title, click on the Save button. It looks like a little plus sign inside a folder icon. A pop-up menu will appear, allowing you to add the video to an existing playlist or create a new playlist. Click on Create a New Playlist. In the next window, give your playlist a name and optionally add a description. You can also choose whether the playlist will be public or private. Click on the Create button to save the playlist. The video will be added to the newly created playlist. Repeat this process for each video you want to include. When adding subsequent videos, you'll see your newly created playlist listed as an option, along with any other existing playlists. To access your playlist, go to the YouTube homepage or tap on the Library tab in the YouTube app. You'll find your playlist listed under the Playlists section. That's it, you've successfully learned how to make a YouTube playlist. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.